Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. I think this would be the first time on my channel doing a Boxycharm. I think before I used to just do Sephora Play and like Walmart box and all that sample crap that I don't do anymore. A Boxycharm is full-size products and only $21 a month, so yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so first I want to start off with just stating that I won't be trying out all the products at the moment, because I want my products that I buy to last, and opening them up I think starts that that time that they have on the package to where it's no good no more. So really the only thing that I'm going to try is any powders or like eyeliners, that type of thing. But any like skincare stuff or liquid type things, I won't open until later because I am packed with how much skincare that I have. I have a shit ton that I still need to use, and I don't want to go opening any new ones just yet. Alright, so this month's theme is Totally Boxy. The first thing I have in the package is, what's this? Beaute Glimmer Shadow Duos. Now I like to put on my shadow before I have on my foundation, so that's why I don't have foundation at the moment. But I do already have eyeshadow primer. I have the shades Iced Latte, just like this golden caramel shade. And then I have Cotton Candy, which is kind of like this almost peach hot pink color. Alright, so what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the Cotton Candy shade, and I'm going to put that more on the, like, about like 2/3 maybe of my eye. The shade actually doesn't look too bad on its own without a base. You could probably just slap this on over the eye and then you're good to go. And it does have like, it's pink but it has gold reflex in it. So it should combine nicely with the what's this? The Iced Latte shade. And blend that out a little bit. So it's not like a sharp line. So Cotton Candy shade is really cute. It would look really good on like the center of like a more dark eye. And now I'm gonna go in to Iced Latte. I'm gonna go in with the same brush but on the other side. So the Iced Latte shade, it's kind of like the sparkles that are inside the Cotton Candy shade, so it blends nicely in together. So normally I wouldn't put these two things together like this because it's just like too much shimmer and not enough matte. I would kind of just put it probably in the center of an eyeshadow or in the inner corners so they can have like their own moment. So overall, these eyeshadows are actually really good quality. Let's see, what's the price? These are, I'm guessing for both of them, they're $25 together. And for having a lot of pigment, there's like no fallout underneath my eye, which is nice. So yeah, I like these. These are good. Those are nice. Alright, so next is the powder. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, my foundation and concealer, and then I'll be right back. My foundation is really fucking white. But we're gonna fix that later. Foundation I used was Josie brand Vibrancy. And I think I probably got like almost the lightest shade, which I always tend to do, and it always tends to fuck me up. But whatever. And I'm not even sure I like it. It's very, I don't know. I'm not sure I like it. Anyways, back to the Boxycharm. So next in the box is this Becca Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder, which I remember hearing this a lot on people's channels when it first came out. I remember watching Kathleen Lights, and apparently like it feels like water or something, like putting something wet on your face. So let's see. Place in there. Oh yeah, that does feel wet, right? Because it's like mostly water or glycerin or something. Yeah, interesting. Alright, okay. It still feels like really wet. Like, it kind of sticks to the brush. Alright, so my foundation and this powder, not a bad combination. I know it's mainly usually concealer, but it is creasing a little bit. I haven't come across a concealer yet that doesn't crease on me, because even when I don't have makeup on, you can kind of see lines under my eyes. You can tell a little bit on the mustache area that I have makeup on, and the inner corners of my nose actually don't look too bad. Oh, I feel like it's making my nose look a little patchy. I don't know if that's the foundation or if that's the makeup or the setting powder. Alright, but you know what? Not bad. I mean, I don't hate it. I can't really judge very well right now since I'm using like a newer foundation. But it doesn't look, it's not making my foundation look cakey, so that's a plus. Right now I'm still working on my Milk Makeup Blur and Set setting powder, so this will have to wait for me for a little bit. And this runs for 39 bucks. I feel like that is a lot considering how much product is in here. Yeah, I feel like there's not that much. Like, I think this might have been cheaper, and there's like a lot more in here. Alright, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my face except for my lips, because the next item is a lip liner, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so getting back to it, next up in the box is this Steve Laurant lip liner in the shade I think it's Chick? Something like that. Ah, shit. Alright, so the lip liner is kind of like a brown taupe shade. So I guess I'll be going in with like a nude lipstick or lip gloss. And it is a pencil. It's definitely not creamy like I would prefer a lip pencil to be. It is wooden. So it's a little rough at first. So slightly darker, or it comes out slightly darker than my natural lip shade. Alright, not bad. Feels kind of like a normal wooden lip liner. I don't have a lot to say about it. So I'm going to go over with this Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade Lazy Daisy. And that's that. Yeah, nothing really special on the lip liner. How much is it? This lip liner is $15. Don't really have a lot to say about it, but I probably wouldn't go and buy a $15 lip liner like this one. I think I would prefer like a cream. Like I would rather get Kylie Cosmetics lip liners because they're more creamier. Alright, so the last things in the box I'm not going to try on right now because I don't want to open them yet. It's the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. At first I thought this was a primer, but I think it's just like a facial oil. Well, it says nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. So I'm not 100% sure if I could use that as a primer or just a facial oil. But it goes for $42, which is a lot. That is, I probably wouldn't go and buy this, honestly. On my own, $42 for an oil. I mean, I guess it's on the cheaper side than what most facial oils, I guess, cost, but no, I don't think I would do it. Alright, and last but not least, it's the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. Again, I'm not going to open it because for sure mascaras will, over time, dry up. But it says an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. So hopefully with this one, it kind of reminds me of the It Cosmetics, the one that I'm using now, which I don't really care for because it does make the lashes clumpy. And I think I would prefer more of a lengthening mascara than a volume mascara. But this ranges... But this goes for $23. Pretty standard for a mascara. If you open it up though, the packaging is so freaking cute. Look at that. I love the color. So adding everything up, it is valued at $144, and which is pretty freaking great since you're only paying $21 plus shipping every month. And so I do think Boxycharm is really worth it. It is one of my favorite subscription boxes, and Ipsy, and what else do I have? FabFitFun. I used to do like sample boxes, but since Boxycharm and Ipsy Plus, I don't even bother with like the samples. So yeah. So I think my favorites out of the box are definitely for sure the eyeshadows. And since I haven't tried the oil out or the mascara yet, I can't necessarily say that. I could go without the lip liner. And the Becca powder was actually pretty interesting. I just don't think it does. I don't think it really goes well with my foundation, but honestly, that could just be my foundation. A lot of vegan foundations probably are about hit or miss, and this one might be a miss, and the Josie Maran one might be a miss, so oh well. Alright, so that's it for this video. Don't be afraid to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Toodles!